Welcome to Cedar Wellness Studio, a sanctuary where nature meets nurture. Nestled in 50 acres of majestic cedar bush, here we believe in harmonizing the body, mind, and spirit. As you journey through our haven, you'll discover more than just a wellness studio. You'll find a place where wellness transcends physical boundaries, where every breath and movement brings you closer to your inner self. At Cedar Wellness Studio, every yoga pose and spin session is an opportunity to reconnect with yourself. Surrounded by the calming essence of nature, our state-of-the-art studio, set against the backdrop of the serene cedar bush, offers a unique blend of invigorating and restful experiences. But our vision goes beyond physical wellness. We are committed to uplifting the community, using our platform to create awareness and support for mental health campaigns and more. At Cedar Wellness Studio, we don't just nurture bodies, we nurture hearts and minds, fostering a community where every individual is empowered to find their balance and peace. Join us at Cedar Wellness Studio, where your journey to wellness surrounded by nature. Experience the tranquility, engage in the energy, and emerge transformed.